Hi guys, I'm Ro. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I will be creating Halloween decor. Let's get started. Here I'm taking some ink colored chalk paint and creating a more depth look. Here I'm adding some jewels to give the girl's skull a nice look. I like all things sparkly. Rhinestones, glitter, all that's girly stuff. Here I am making the hat, the top hat for the groom. Had to measure it out a couple of times to see what height would work best for him. Gluing the bottom so it will sit flush with the rest of the poster board. It's not perfectly round because it's going to be leaning against the poster board, so should I say the foam core. I just thought this ribbon was just perfect. Bats, Halloween, scary look. Yeah, works great. I saw this ribbon. I just was like, what am I going to do with this ribbon? What? I need to figure out something other than my little bougie pumpkins I made. This is like some washi type of tape that I found over the summer at the Dollar Tree. Here I'm making just some frilly little like bow light to go on the side of his top hat. Giving it a little bit of a purple feel, a little pop of color. This is some ribbon I had for a while. It's not from the Dollar Tree. I think I got it from Wal-Mart like a year ago. And it was just a piece of scrap left over, so I decided to add it in. And right here, I'm adding a little spider. And here's one of those eye flowers. Now I'm making his bow for his like bow tie. Just a bow, nothing fancy, just a little bow. And here I'm going to fold over a small piece of fabric so that I could give it more of a finished look. Taking the webs and I was adding them to the top hat. I feel the webs just give it that extra Halloween look in different settings. You guys can let me know in a comment what you think of the hat, the top hat. This is my first time doing something like that. Here I'm making her veil. I don't know, maybe I should have done it in black. What do you guys think? This idea was inspired by some Halloween decor I saw at my local Big Lots. And I thought, I'm going to make this. I have scrap ribbon. Always use your scrap ribbon. Always make do with it. Don't throw it out. Keep it. It may come in hand, as you can see here. Adding another pop of color on her to match him. Nothing like the groom and the bride to match. I don't want any webs on hers. I don't know, it just seems like the groom's hat, it looked like it would be okay. Here I'm going to add another one of those flowers with the eye in it. I'm glad they did purple. I never saw the purple before. In my local Dollar Tree, there's always just the black flowers with the eye in it. So I saw this, I was like, oh, I'm going to grab one of these. It may come in hand. Pulling back the veil just a little bit. Yep, I like the way it fits, so I'm going to add some glue so it stays on. I like it. I like it. Here I'm adding a little bit of sterling silver acrylic paint. I got this at my local Walmart. To give the background just a little extra look. I didn't want it to be plain. Here I'm gluing down the heads. And then I'm going to cut the foam core so it looks more framed. Here I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to place the bow tie for him. The original decor I saw at the Big Lots, the bride and the groom had like a little bit of an upper torso. I didn't have that, so I just went with the skull heads, and I think it turned out pretty good. So here I am again adding some more of that washi tape to give it a border. Kind of reminds me of the Beetlejuice when he wears that suit. DIY number 2, my witch's hat. Now this was kind of a last minute thing, but I grabbed a couple of things for it. I'm not very good at getting in frame, so forgive me guys, I'm still learning. If you check out my channel, you can see where I am just adding new videos, so bear with me. Grow as I grow, I guess. Here I'm cutting out the brim of the witch's hat. It's not perfect, but I get it as round as I could with what I had. It's kind of big. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these projects when I'm done. Anyone have any suggestions? Please like, comment, and share. It helps my channel to grow. I thought this orange was nice. Give it a little bit of brightness. And here I am adding a little bit more ribbon. That ribbon with the bats on it. I got this at my local Dollar Tree. I placed it kind of high because I wanted to add around it. Here's my pop of color once again. Here's some tulle that had spider webs on it. I thought it was so pretty, so I added that in. You know, I like all things sparkly. And here's the rest of the black ribbon that I had left. It's like a cloth, there's no wire in it, so you gotta shape it and glue it to get it how you want it. Just won't bend and stay there. Here I'm dovetailing the end of the ribbon, making it kind of short. Here's some sparkly purple ribbon. I'm going to add it around the sides of the hat. It's not a very thick ribbon, like it's kind of flimsy. So here's a chevron patterned ribbon. I think it just gives it that extra oomph. I thought it was the prettiest. So I just had to add a little bit of it in, and I'm going to dovetail the ends of this ribbon as well. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Help my channel to grow. Here's a purple ribbon with a little bit of like a velvet on it. And here I'm adding in some black leaves. And here's my final look. I think it turned out well. Tell me what you guys think. Any suggestions? I'm open to suggestions. My skull, bride and groom. I love them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.